Thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast. Today we're featuring a 2025 Fox factory truck. If you're familiar with these, they've taken the 1500 Silverado, upfitted them to be it's a TRX and a Raptor killer. It's really, really impressive what they've done. They're going to build 500 of them. This is number 45. They're a little over $200,000 MSRP. There's so much to talk about, and it's way over. I think there's only two optional. They come all built the same. There's a light package on the front, and you can get one or two spare tires on the back. This has two spare tires. They've got carbon fiber front fenders, hood, which is kind of cool how they did that. So what they did was they taped off the carbon fiber and then painted over it. And so this is just non-painted surface area. Anywhere you see carbon, so the back is the same. The Fox factory and the two stripes back there are just exposed carbon. The suspension on this stuff is just, it's unbelievable. And the way that it handles, I mean, it's just, I don't know. It's really, really well done. The fact they've got this off the line and basically is a factory modified truck is really, really impressive, and the quality of the build and the components is just ridiculous. So it's way more than I'm qualified to talk about. We've got the itemized builds, and you can find plenty of information on them. They're listed as Fox factory trucks. They're not listed as Chevy Silverados. It's got Borla exhaust. It sounds like a Corvette. It's really impressive, the exhaust tones. They've got a full assist on the tailgate here, so that's an automatic drop. And there you can see the two full-size spare tires on factory wheels. To bring that back up, you just hit the button again. It's going to lift by itself. So this is what I was talking about. This is just this is the fender without paint on it. The hood is the same. The underside of the hood is all carbon fiber exposed. So anyways, a customer of ours went down and bought this and got a good deal on it, and decided to sell it. So we're taking it to market. I've been really impressed. So this is the 6.2 liter Chevy engine, and they've put a Whipple supercharger on it. So it's got actually a Fox tuner. If you take this in, the Chevy system and computer diagnostics will not work. So you got Nacho lights. So they give you a programmer to take it in to have it serviced. And then we have a bunch of other stuff that came with it. So you got power assist steps, really nice embossed seats, stitched, brand new. The other cool thing about this is all on the fly suspension adjustments. And it's a very complicated, very well done, well thought out truck. And the customer that bought this has been modifying trucks for 30 years and says this truck is by far, hands down, the nicest thing he's driven that's been modified. So here are the numerical sequence that I mentioned. So they're making supposedly 500 of these. This is number 45. I'm going to start it with the door open just so you can hear the exhaust, because it's worth listening to. Not every truck that sounds like that is for sure. We've got, I have one key now. They lost the other key when he picked it up. They couldn't locate it, so they're in the process of getting him a second one. We have the Fox factory window sticker. We have the Chevy original window sticker. We have all the documentation that came with the rig originally. So you can see, I mean, it's in new condition, of course. Passenger side door and seat. Super comfortable seats. Stitched dash. Carbon fiber steering wheel, paddle shifters, multifunction, got heated, ventilated seats. So you can see the systems over here. I mean, it's just such a well done rig. And then you've got all kinds of ability to add stuff to the aux setup, which is now, this is becoming more and more common. Everything else is pretty straightforward, just Chevy stuff. Trailer setup. Heated ventilated seats, do a lot of climate control. You do have surround sound cameras. So this is all going to just be standard gear, probably not much different. Just going through the so wireless charging, power sources, USB. I mean, it's just really well done. I've got pictures of the engine bay. They've got a big old brace across the top of the engine to keep from having that flex or bend. It's really impressive. I've been doing this a long time, and this is what a lot of people would go out and build. And the fact that Fox has done it out of the box, and the way it's been done is really impressive. So, anyways, if you have questions or would like information, please feel free to contact us. We can be reached at 503-227-2354, and thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast.